All right, how about this one? Ross and Rachel.
Easy. Friends.
Sam and Diane.
Cheers.
Jesse and Rebecca.
Full house. Bam. I'm a genius. I was born to be in the TV business.
Oh, yeah? Well, if you're that good, what's the first step in the creation of a TV show?
Why do I have to know that? I know that Seinfeld is the best show ever made.
If you want to work in TV one day, you're going to have to know more than TV couples trivia.
Like what?
All right, let me break it down. It all begins with development, where a concept is turned into a pilot script, and then if the show is well liked, it's developed into a series.
So development is where they create the story?
Yep, and when a script is ready to shoot, it'll need a cast. So if you want to find or represent talent, you should intern at an agency.
I heard pilot season is a crazy busy time for casting directors, agents, and managers.
Ugh, it is, because a ton of pilots all have to be cast at one time.
So when a show finds it's Jerry Seinfeld, what happens next?
When it's ready to be shot, it goes into production. Interning in production will allow you to be on set or assist in the physical making of the TV show. So if you're interested in camera work, set decorating, or costume designing, try production.
And if I goof around on set, no soup for me!
Can we continue?
Yes, we can.
I thought so. So after it's shot, it goes into post-production, where it's edited and sound mixed.
And visual effects are added, like the smoke monster on Lost.
Exactly. I had no idea you watched anything other than Seinfeld.
Very funny. So after it's edited, I can see it on TV? Right after Grey's Anatomy at 9 Central on ABC.
No, not yet. The network has to decide if they want to put it on the air. So if you want to intern for the people that choose which shows get picked up and which get canceled, apply for an internship at a network or cable channel.
What about a web series?
That's interactive and new media. Interactive also has to do with the marketing of the show. Networks will heavily promote shows online through digital and social media.
And if I wanted to praise a show, I could intern in television journalism and blogging?
Praise or criticize. I bet there are people who criticize Seinfeld.
No way. They won Emmys.
Speaking of the Emmys, you can even intern for TV events like award shows or organizations like the Writers Guild. Or if you're interested in the deal-making side of the business, you can intern in business affairs.
Or I can just watch Law & Order.
All right, hotshot. Let's see if you can get this one. Dylan and Brenda.
Ooh, Mr. Cutter! I know this. Wait, give me a sec.
Really? How about Dylan and Kelly? Come on! Seriously? You don't know this one?
Nope, got nothing.
Ugh.
What? Okay, who?
You got a lot to learn, kid.